Welcome back, old friends, and hello to our new ones. Welcome to our epic road trip series here on Rocky TV. In this series, we're taking a 5,000-mile road trip from Dallas, Texas to Glacier National Park, Grand Tetons, and Yellowstone National Park. If you haven't seen the first two episodes in the series, make sure to go back and give them a watch because I think you'll really enjoy them. We pick up here after finally arriving in Whitefish, Montana, and we're about to get our first experience in Glacier National Park. We're going to be spending our day around the west entrance of Glacier National Park, so the McDonald Lake, Avalanche Lake area. It is a beautiful, beautiful area, and I hope you guys really enjoy this. It is Monday. Monday? I've already lost track of days.
Monday.
It's Monday the 23rd?
Yes.
It is Monday the 23rd, and slept like babies last night. The beds are great. The room is great. Today we have to make a couple quick errands because we shot a lot of GoPro footage of us coming up here, which is great. That's fantastic. It was 120 gigabytes, and we're on day like 2 or 3. Yeah. Right, and we've got like 16 more to go. So we literally have to go buy a external hard drive so we can store all that stuff on it. I put it on my laptop last night. I don't have a lot of extra room on it, so we have to go buy an external hard drive. We're gonna go buy a little fly shop here in town where we can get our fishing licenses and stuff. And then the plan is to go into Glacier. We probably need to get some snacks or something too, because I don't imagine there's like a Subway in Glacier.
Probably not.
Probably not.
You probably gimbal.
I want to hold it with this hand, dude.
Hold it with your strong hand, baby.
Hello. It is us, and we've made it to Glacier National Park. We're finally here. Finally. We're excited about it. I think in the GoPro footage it'll show, like, we pulled up over this hill and there's like gigantic peaking mountains and stuff. Looks really cool, but we're finally here. We're gonna drive around. We're gonna see pretty stuff. We're gonna go down trails. We're gonna do some fishing. We're gonna have fun. We didn't bring a lot of water, so hopefully we don't hike too far. And when I say we don't bring a lot, we don't have any, dude.
Yeah, we have 1 bottle.
And that car's exhaust was terrible. We're here.
Update, guys. It's beautiful here. I'm recording you.
Oh, I was trying to get behind the camera. Dude, look how clear the water is. I don't know how far you could walk out that way, but...
Oh, look at this.
Hello, duck. It is we, your friends.
It is we.
Dude, look at the mountains over there.
I know.
These over here to the right, behind those trees. Crazy looking.
You can walk over there.
This is awesome. It's not hugely crowded. I don't know if it's time of year or time of day, but
either way, I'll take it.
Either way, it's not too bad. Yeah, those mountains right there. Crazy.
Look at that. That's amazing. Update, guys. Rocky out there. Uh-oh. Finally got his fly rod all hooked up and everything and got out there. Had to find a way to get down into the river. And we are fly fishing in Glacier. It's pretty amazing. Whether we catch anything or not, how could you be upset? Look at this view. Look at it. Look at it. I don't know if we're gonna catch anything, but like I said, we don't really care at this point. But anyways, just wanted to do a little check-in for you guys. This is our first stop when we start here. We've been here for like 2 hours probably. It's just so pretty.
Update. We are walking the Trail of the Cedars in Glacier National Park, and it's kind of lovely. Do you see? Guess what these kind of trees are? They're cedars. It's kind of messed up, dude, because I bet they cut down like their family to like make this path, dude. And now like they have to watch us every day walk on the dismembered parts of their family as we walk around and look at them, dude. It's kind of twisted. Hey, look, a river.
It's day 17.
We've been hiking up this trail, up a mountain, with like 1,000-foot change in elevation for like 73 hours.
It wasn't ready.
We both decided we're okay with dying here. We don't have to make it the rest of the way.
Yeah, some lady just came down. Is oh, you're about halfway.
And we both said, oh, yeah. What? Halfway?
There's like people who are like 70 doing this, no problem, dude.
Some dude was like running up
This dude was like sprinting up the mountain. And we're over here like literally dying.
We're gonna make it. But luckily it's nice and cool. But what it is, we're on the Avalanche, what is it? Avalanche Lake Trail, which like goes up a mountain, and then there's supposed to be a nice pretty lake up there. So hopefully it'll be worth it.
It better be worth it, because
at least. Oh, go ahead.
Well, kill someone.
The way down should be a lot easier.
Yes.
Because this is like this, dude.
Okay.
It's not good.
All right, well, I'll do it to you when we get there. Hopefully we can make it.
It's raining.
We made it.
We made it.
Finally.
We didn't die.
But look at this, guys. Look at this.
It's pretty gorgeous. Completely worth it. But it is probably low 50s.
And pouring down rain.
And pouring down rain now. It's pretty cool. Now there's a bug attacking my face. But I'm 100% glad we did it. Look at that, dude. It's like we're just in a giant bowl. It's literal insanity.
But we made it.
But we're here. Look at that, dude. We need that in the picture.
We do.
Can you snap a selfie? Hit the button right now. Still frame.
Okay, hold on. Did it do it?
Does that do it? Do you even know what that button is?
No, I don't.
I don't think that's a button.
Okay, well, that's like a huge mosquito thing. Okay, well, I hear fly fishing in the rain is good.
Yep, we'll see how it goes. It's also super shallow, so we gotta find a deeper part because we didn't bring waders.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't have wanted to hike with them either.
Look at that, though. Wow.
It's over here.
Wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
Hi. I know I'm cold too. I'm cold too, Mr. Chipmunk.
Update.
We're still alive, barely.
I don't want to die. Dude, my feet hurt. My back hurts.
My everything hurts.
It rained on us. I mean, I guess we showed that, dude. It rained on us. It was freezing cold. But we were like, we just hiked an hour and a half to get up here, you know? might as well fish, which we didn't catch anything.
Guys.
We were in the wrong spot, I think.
Did we already say this? There was 2 guys that hiked up past us on the way there, and then they passed us while we were still going up to the top. They passed us coming back down.
Yeah. And one of them was probably in his 60s. We can't. Hey, we had different hikes and trails planned. I don't think we can do that.
Yeah, no.
I don't think we can.
I had some stuff. I was like, oh, round trip was like 6 miles. Oh, it's not so bad.
Wait until tomorrow's update. I think our updates all day tomorrow might be from bed because I don't know if I can get out.
I don't know if I can go to bed.
Sweet Lord. But I tell you what, it sure, yeah, I don't know if you can see anything, but it sure is pretty. And I tell you what, it was definitely 120% worth it, but I am definitely in pain.
And also we realized how uphill it was on the way down.
Oh, yeah. Like on the way down, we're like, it was this inclined though. It was, the walk down wasn't bad. I mean, we zoomed through that. But it was
in an hour and a half.
In an hour and a half. It was, oh gosh, the incline. It was so inclined. But we're glad we did it. And yeah, we'll have to see if other hikes happen, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But we're still gonna, there's plenty to do and we'll still have fun.
Tomorrow may be a sit in the truck and look at stuff. Okay.
But what we're doing now is going to eat them pizzas. So all the calories burnt today, we're going to ruin that real quick. Whatever. It's vacation. Thanks again for checking out another episode here on Rocky TV of our epic road trip series. There'll be a lot more to come. So if you guys don't mind, drop me a sub. It helps out a ton. And then hit the little thumbs up button because it lets YouTube know that our video is decent. This is pretty new content type for us, but I'm getting the hang of it and I'm really enjoying doing it, and I would appreciate your feedback. Make sure to leave a comment. We love having you guys watch the videos, and we will see you next time.